Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Amazon for beginners guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what investing in Amazon entails. Amazon is primarily known as an e-commerce giant, but it also has diverse business segments. Familiarize yourself with the company's history and growth trajectory. Check Amazon's current stock price and market performance. Visit reputable financial websites for real-time stock quotes and analysis. Open a brokerage account if you haven't done so already. Choose a broker that suits your investment style and budget. Complete the necessary paperwork to set up your account. Once your account is funded, search for Amazon stock using its ticker symbol, Amazon. Analyze Amazon's financial health by reviewing its earnings reports. Look for trends in revenue growth, profit margins, and cash flow. Consider broader market trends that could affect Amazon's performance. Keep an eye on news related to Amazon's business developments. Evaluate the competitive landscape and Amazon's position in it. Decide on your investment strategy, long-term holding or short-term trading. Based on this strategy, determine how many shares of Amazon you want to buy. Use limit orders or market orders to execute your purchase. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about market changes. Reassess your position based on performance and any new information. Stay updated with quarterly earnings releases to gauge potential future growth. Remember to diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risks. Educate yourself continuously about investment strategies and market trends. Review your investment goals periodically to ensure alignment with your financial plan. Keep an eye on your overall portfolio performance to adapt your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.